So as you create a new Keynote presentation, you can notice that you can start from existing themes that are standard size. I think these are 1024 by 768 widescreen presentations, and my themes. And for my themes, I actually created a bunch of those custom slide sizes and dimensions, so I can start creating, for example, an iOS 7 template for iPhone 6 or iPhone 5 and so on. And you can actually change the sizes of any presentation and any slide by going into Document and selecting the slide size and then creating custom slide size. So if I want this to work to be, for example, an iPhone 6 Plus size, I'm going to edit dimensions to be 1080 by 1920, and you can see how the size changes and I'm creating things for in the right dimension. As you create a lot of your prototypes, you're going to notice that you can actually save your prototype or save your empty slides plus your custom slide masters, which is what you get here with the format. So you can see here that I have different slide masters in my presentation, and we'll get to how to change the slide masters later on in the course. But here I can actually just select one of them and start from this one. And as you create your own slide masters and your own presentation sizes, you can save theme here, and you can start from that theme the next time you start a new prototype.